A candidate for Cleveland County District Judge says she won't face any charges after sending tens of thousands of political robocalls. Tracy Schumacher says it's a mistake that's already been corrected. News 9's John Jordan has more on the story.
And because she did correct those, the Attorney General's office says they are going to give her a pass this time. Had they not, she could have been looking at a fine in the millions of dollars.
I'm calling to ask you for your vote in the upcoming July 27th primary.
It's a robocall from Tracy Schumacher, a Cleveland County District Judge candidate.
I will bring to the court a history of 16 years of work as a prosecutor and local attorney.
The only problem, never during the 45-second call does she leave a phone number, something all candidates are required to do, and something Schumacher admits she knew.
I wouldn't say it was I didn't know. It was an oversight, I believe, and that in that the number was not provided.
Fortunately for her, the Attorney General's office, who was called in to investigate, responded with this letter telling her they won't be taking action.
I have broken no Oklahoma law with the robocalls, and they've advised me of what they'd like to see in the future.
But it is an Oklahoma law Schumacher violated under the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, a federal law. It states the TCPA requires all pre-recorded voice messages clearly identify the person or entity responsible for initiating the call and a telephone number where such person or entity can be reached. As for why the Attorney General didn't take action, his spokesperson told us, "We try to get people in compliance with the law, and Schumacher has been." Luckily for her, because fines for violating the TCP Act can be substantial. The fine for each call is $500, and it's believed Schumacher may have sent out over 20,000 of them, for a total fine of up to $10 million. A mistake Schumacher says won't happen again.
Well, I'm no career politician, and I am just trying to get my message out to the citizens.
And we should add, in 2007, former state representative Tim Pope was penalized by the AG's office for sending out illegal robocalls. The reason he was penalized, the AG's office tells me, is because where Schumacher quickly became compliant, Pope did not. Kelly?
All right, John. Schumacher has also come under a little bit of scrutiny after she failed to notify the administrative director of courts of her candidacy within 10 days as required. She contends there were many candidates who made the same